A worldwide issue everyone faces today is the rise of climate change due to the use of carbon footprint. Even though it may not seem like it, businesses contribute greatly to carbon emissions. Delivery methods generally involve shipping using gas-fueled vehicles and packaging using hard-to-decompose cardboard boxes.
With Egreen, we created a website for California residents to purchase biodegradable products. To accommodate with our customer needs, we will offer a trial of product bundles of anything small, everyday items for our customers to test out for a cheaper price to see if they like it. If they do, they can join the monthly subscription and purchase the products they like from the bundle.
To provide more variety, Egreen adds a new bundle of eco-friendly products every 3 months. To aid the composition, Egreen uses corrugated cardboard boxes for packaging, and to lessen carbon emissions, we use electric drones as delivery, which reduces carbon footprint. These electric drones will carry the small packages to each house.
So, if you want to save our planet, join us as we contribute to an e-greener, more sustainable world.